Hi, my name is Joel Matthew. You are 15CS177, and today I am going to be explaining my second experiment from my web technology lab. So here I am going to be in this experiment I am going to be creating a website using HTML5, form elements and media elements. So in this we are going to be using the basic HTML tags as well as audio, video tag, iframe and other form tags, all other form tags. So we have two pages actually. So in the first page we have sections header, content section and also footer. So we have all the these are all the parameters which have been given to me for the first, and the second one is actually a form to collect the personal details of the person. So this is actually a mock-up page of the first page. So we have the company and the logo, and this is the navigation bar, and here we'll have a video which will be on autoplay as soon as we load the web page. This video is supposed to automatically start running. Here we'll have the information about the company, and over here we'll have an audio, so which will actually have all the controls. And over here we have all the we'll have in the footer we'll have three sections, in which first one will be contact details, and another is a form to go to the next page, which is also a form. And over here we'll have a Google Maps location over here. And then in the second page, once you fill this form and hit register, we'll come to a form which will take the necessary details. So we have personal details, and then we have a progress bar, then again address details and contact and all the education and all these things, and in the end we have to just hit the submit button. So let me just show you the code. So for the first front page, this is the code. So here is the title, so web technology experiment 2, and I have put the header background color as black, and we have this is the logo. And here in the navigation bar I am using table, so we have a single row over here, and the row has the borders, and these are all the attributes which I have given for the TD tag. And also this is a section in which there are two sections actually. So the one section is for the video, and the one section is for the details about the company. So this is the first section. So again I'm using the table tag, and in which I have created two partitions which are two TDs. And here I have put the paragraph tag, and this is explanation. And here we have the audio, as I said, audio tag. So inside audio controls, so which means that we can control, pause and play the audio at our will. And here will be the source. Using the source tag I put this. And next we have again video controls. So video controls autoplay. So this controls will actually allow us to pause and resume the video, and autoplay will automatically play the video as soon as we load the page. So again in the footer I have again created using table tag three sections. So again inside each of the sections I have given the attributes width, style and style. So in which I have specified the border, color and what type of border it should be. Okay, and here are the contact details, and again this is the form which I was talking about. So field set and legend, these are actually for decoration sort of. As you can see over here, this box is shown as field set, and this content which you put here will be inside legend tag. And again for taking the input use for text, we are going to be for text type we are going to be taking using the input tag, and label tags for making the forms. And again, this is of text type, and these are the various attributes. And we have a submit button. So as soon as you click this submit button, it will direct you to the form. And over here is the using iframe tag. I am putting the Google Maps location inside the web page. So I'll be showing how this works when I'll show the output. So next I am going to show you the form, the second page, which is the form. So here is this is for job resume. So obviously the candidate has to fill this resume. So inside the form tag we have again field set, and this is again for borders, and we have again label. Using label input we can enter all the values. So and in label we have types like text, number, password, email. So according to the input you have to specify the input tag type, and we can again specify name, ID, placeholder, autocomplete, required. All these are all the attributes inside the input tag. And over here, and again I have also made a use progress tag to show the progress of how much we have filled. So in this also we have the attributes value and max. And I have done this for all of these. And again, radio button is also used is created using input tag. And for creating the drop down menu we have a select tag. So put select, name, ID, and then option in the option tag, and then we have to put the values. And this is actually the whole tag. I have used all these for various inputs. I have used all these tags. And I'll finally show you the CSS tag, which is over here. So I have not used too much CSS. So this is actually the external CSS file. So inside header, to make the text align as center, I have made this. And for in H1, as H1 is actually block level element, so I am making it as inline so that all the elements inside the navigation bar come as inline. And in video I have created the width as 100%. So now we'll go to the web page itself. So I'll reload the web page. So as you can see, the video is in autoplay as soon as the video is the web page is loaded. So this is the company name and logo, and here we have a search bar. This box, this too is I have used form element, and the input is equal to search. And this is the company again company details, and this is again the audio. So using when you use controls inside audio and video, we have all these buttons like for playing and pausing and etc. This is again this is for the address, and this is how we actually show the location of the headquarters using Google Maps. I have used the iframe tag as I mentioned earlier. So to go to the next form, I am going to put some name, and here you can put password, and we hit submit. And as you can see, we come to the next page. So again, just enter your details, and if any invalid details are set, then it will not accept. So And all these the required details which are required, I have put asterisk symbol, so we have to enter them before sending the form. So I'll just put some random values. And again put some age, this mail, I'll put some address. All these are not required actually, but still to show you. And India, so this is the drop down menu, and we have to put some numbers. And next we again put some number. We have an email, so I'll just put some dummy email. So again, using input we can specify all this, and just enter some values. So I have just entered some random values over here. And this is, you can actually using input tag, you can specify the type as file, and then this menu will be this button will be created. So here you can browse and enter your resume. And as of now I'm not entering things, and again when you hit submit, your details are saved and sent to the database. So thank you for listening to me.